Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy paper pumpkin, a little smile alternative note card using the June paper pumpkin kit. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. Okay, I am going to start by stamping, and the first thing I'm going to use is this little starfish, and I am going to stamp this in the center. And if you want to, you can use your grid paper to kind of give you a visual of where that center is. And I am going to stamp 1, 2, 3, lift up, and then I'm ready for my sand dollars, and I'm going to add one here on the right, 1, 2, 3, and go back and add one on the left, 1, 2, 3. And it's that quick and easy, so I've got that part done. And I'm going to bring in this sentiment Whisper White piece, and I'm laying this crumb cake piece here on the top so that I can see where I want to stamp. It's just a visual. And then I'm going to take my thank you stamp and I'm going to stamp 1, 2, 3 and lift. And that counting to 3 allows you to get this great image. So let me start by assembling. I am going to add some adhesive here to the back of the Whisper White and the back of the crumb cake. I'm using my multi-purpose, but you can use snail or even the glue dots that are like extra in the kit. I'm going to put my sentiment piece on the Coastal Cabana cardstock, and then I'm going to take my crumb cake piece here and I'm going to add it above my sentiment, and that's going to frame my shells. And I'm simply going to pop this up and add this to that crumb cake layer. So I've added my Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. I'm removing this protective section, and I am going to adhere that straight down onto my crumb cake. Whoop, and place that. And now I'm ready to bring in my note card. And I love these note cards because they're so economical. Not only will you get this great note card in either Whisper White or Very Vanilla, but you'll also get the coordinating envelopes. So it's one-stop shopping, and who doesn't like that? Okay, and I've added some adhesive to the back, and I'm adding to this layer onto the front of the note card. It's that quick and easy. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store at stampwithjini.com. You can also find out information about our paper pumpkin subscription and prepaid option at my online store. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks for joining me.